All right, I'm Drew with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, and I have been called down by a buddy of mine to take a look at his roof that he had done by an out-of-towner. He asked me first if he could get it done by that person. I told him I didn't mind because I was actually scheduled to do the job, but I was months out, and he was real excited to get his roof done. He just didn't really want to wait and was worried about any more bad storms that we might have, that he might have leak issues. So I told him that, when he found somebody, that if he trusted him, to go ahead and do the roof. So I'm going to go up and do an inspection on this roof. This is a roof that was done from a guy in Alabama. I'm not going to say the company's name right now because there's probably going to be issues here real soon down the road. And I'm not going to tell you where the house is, but this is a house that's not too far away from us. And I'm going to do a roof inspection and see what we got going on. I kind of got an idea already. So let's go up and take a look. All right, so I'm back, and the very first thing that I found when I walked up on this roof or got on the ladder was at the very bottom we have an architectural shingle that's only hanging out about an inch down here at the bottom, which tells me that when they were doing this roof they did not mark their roof down so that they had a proper exposure down here at the bottom. So I thought, okay, well that's I've seen that before. A lot of people have done it. But the biggest concern my customer had was this ridge vent. This ridge vent itself, if you'll notice, something is going on, seriously, to where I can actually put my hand up underneath it. And that's going on down his entire roof. Okay, so look at that. I can put my hand on that. The ridge vent, this edge right here, is supposed to be down on your roof like this. You don't want wind is going to blow right up in here, and next thing you know, he actually will have a leak. Look at that. I can see, wow, I can see the ridge under there. It's just amazing. Not nailed down. So he's going to leak on the first storm. So I looked under here, I'm like, why is it that it's sticking up? Did they not, what did they nail it with? And I come up here and I find, look at these. See how close I can get to this. Look, that shingle's barely showing because it's blown all the way through the shingle. Check it out. Look at that. Alright, so this is real life, so let's pause this here for a minute. Oh, sorry. Okay, so anyways, yeah, here we go. This is a nail that I just pulled out of the ridge vent. Now, I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be 2.5-inch nails to hold this thing down. So this nail is just all the way, look at that. Look at that. That's that nail right there. It's supposed to be 2.5 inches. There you go. Now look at this. Gosh, what in the hell have we got here? People, this is a major problem. Alright, this is a major problem. And this is something you might want to think about when you hire that guy to come in here from out of town. What is he going to do to my roof? Is he going to be in a hurry? Is he just trying to make a quick buck? Because this guy shot all his shingles. The nails are shot all the way through. Oh my word, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, this is a friend of mine. So it kind of bothers me that this happened to a friend of mine. He was nice enough to ask me if I would let somebody else do his roof, or if it would bother me. And I said no, because he wanted to get his roof done, and I'm just buried. I mean, I have a lot of work to do. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. Oh my word. I feel bad for my friend that he had somebody on his roof that would do something like this. Come on. I should not be able to pull a nail out of this roof with my fingers. I'm just flabbergasted. I mean, I'm flabbergasted. I don't even know where to go with this thing. So anyways, let's go. I figure since we've been there, maybe it's a good idea that we check out the rest of this roof, because something is funky. Something's funky. I looked over here at the drip edge and I noticed something going on in the drip edge. Not real sure what it was, and I haven't looked at it yet. I'll go over here and see if we can find what's going on here. Oh, okay, the drip edge is just so bent that it's not laid in there properly. The ridge vent's not where it's supposed to be, so it's improperly installed. So the inside lip is holding up the shingle. Look at that. That's never going to lay down. The drip edge wasn't installed properly. Oh, so it's never ending. So check this out, people. We're going to keep right on going and looking. Okay, let's check the ridge vent on this side. Oh my God. Well, we definitely got a high nail here. Well, it's high nail because it never hit the wood. Look at this. Now, if I can go even in one spot on your roof and pull a nail out with my fingers, there is a problem. Okay, wow. I don't even know where to go with this. I mean, it's just getting worse and worse. I think it's time to check underneath the shingles and see what the hell. Oh shit. Oh, that ain't good. Can you see that? Oh my word. Oh, my buddy's gonna hate the news. He hasn't heard it yet. It's gonna make him absolutely sick. But if you notice this, I'm trying to film with one hand. Can you see that nail? Look at that. Look, the nail's not even in the shingle. It's in through the shingle. That nail is through the shingle. Good Lord, man. Oh, I cannot. This just makes me sick. Oh my God, just makes me sick. Oh Lord, have mercy. Look at this. Where's the nail? There it is, down there. It's shot all the way through the shingle. Gosh. Well, that nail is just almost gone completely, and it's sideways in there too. This is ridiculous. Oh man, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? This is sickening. Oh, people, you know, if you're gonna hire somebody, make sure they have a good reputation, because this roof right here is a perfect example of somebody coming in from out of town and telling you that they're roofers, and they're not. The plywood is broken right there, completely broke. Oh, I guess we just go. Let's just go randomly. I'm starting to really worry about this roof, and you know, if it's the nails are shot through these shingles. Damn, these are high dollar shingles too. Let's see here. Oh yeah, shot right through. Oh Jesus, yeah, shot right through. The shingle's not even held down right here. Look at this. Not only that, look where they put the nail. This is the end of the shingle right here. The nail, if you can see it, is right there at the edge. And it's also blown completely through the shingle. There's one good nail. There's two nails there that aren't blown through. I'm not seeing any nails here. Oh, well, that's because it's all the way through the shingle. Son of a bitch. God. Yeah, this is a nightmare. This is a complete nightmare. Boy, I'm starting to feel bad for my friend right now that he had some out-of-towners shoot his roof on, and they're not holding. Gosh. That's another one that shot all the way through. People, be careful who you hire. If you don't know, look at that. Oh my word. Look at this. Look at that. The nail is there. They're supposed to be in the nail on top of their shingle. Yeah, this is not good, people. And God, my stomach is actually upset, because this is literally a friend of mine. And I mean, he had me lined up to do this roof, and he just was, his wife was afraid, he was afraid that we had any more bad storms, what might happen. Yeah, another one. It's all the way through. I mean, it shot through the shingle. That's terrible. Oh yeah, shot all the way through. This is amazing. Uh-oh. Well, they didn't even put a nail in this shingle. So that shingle there never had a nail, never even had a nail in it. So they missed nails too. Gosh. People, all I can tell you is, check it out. Make sure you know who is getting up on your roof, because if you don't, this is something you're more than likely going to run into. I'm Drew with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. I hope you like this video. We make videos like this all the time, not just this, but DIY stuff and how-to stuff. We like to do a lot of mobile home stuff, and we do mobile home roofing. It's one of our most popular videos. This one here is going to be the newest one that I'll be downloading. And it's basically just a roof inspection. Look at that. So if I lift up this side, why does that shingle lift up at the end? Well, I'll tell you. Look where they put that nail, right there. Right on the edge, and the next nail they put back there. So the first couple inches of this shingle doesn't have a nail in it. I'm about tired of going around this thing and finding this kind of stuff, but it's not like I just go around to one spot and find it. I go around everywhere and find it. There it is, look. Yeah, they didn't nail the shingles in the right spot. And the nails are deeply rooted into this thing. Oh, sorry, Skip. Skip to the doodah. I don't like it, but this is a bad situation. I hate to see this on anybody. I really wouldn't want to see my worst enemy get screwed for $9,000. But that's where we're at. That's where we're at on this one. At least they covered their nail heads. Hey, they covered their nail heads. Isn't that amazing? Alright guys. Drew's Roofing Home Repair, Brunswick County, North Carolina. We do other jobs in other parts of North Carolina, like mobile home roofing and rubber roofing. I'm getting us off of this roof because I think we have seen enough. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I think you'll find a lot of interesting things on my channel. I have a little bit of everything, actually, a little bit of everything. I look forward to seeing you. My subscribers have been growing exponentially. So thank you everybody out there on YouTube for watching my videos. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoy them, and we try to make them better every day. If you go back and look at my earlier videos, they're terrible. My video quality was crap. Well, obviously the technology nowadays is much better. My videos are coming out better. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.